want a
What kind of connections?
refrigerator?
Why would I want a refrigerator?
See that picture? This isn't just any refrigerator. This is a magic refrigerator.
Sure it is.
Send it to you for $100.
Deal.
Okay. Got it set up for you and everything. Let's go. Here you go.
This is it?
This is your magic fridge.
Yeah, sure it is.
Do not question the power.
I won't. I wonder if it came with any food. Ah!
Hi!
What is that?
Why, I'm your magical fridge.
That's cool, I guess. Do you grant any wishes?
But of course! Come to my magical land and all your dreams will come true.
Okay. What the heck?
Why, I'm your magic fridge.
Oh, you grant wishes, that's right.
Why, yes!
I wish for a soda. Whoa! Awesome! Thank you.
Ah!
Oh my gosh!
It might be working now.
I'm thirsty, let me get a drink.
Thirsty.
It's still his 13th error.
Good adventure. Random dog walk.
Watch out, dog.
Yeah. That and the random like.
I gotta train for next time.
Don't look down, just keep your head up and finish.
Cause this magical fridge world changes my clothes. Ah! You!
Whoa!
Whoa!
Glad that's over.